Are you a skinny man who struggles to dress well? You are not alone. Many skinny men feel like their frame can be a challenge when it comes to finding clothes that fit and flatter. But don't worry, there are ways to make the most of your build and look great. First, focus on fit. Skinny men often have trouble finding pants that fit properly, so look for slim or skinny cuts that will hug your legs without looking too tight. Avoid baggy or loose clothing, as it will only make you look smaller. In addition to focusing on fit, it's also important to pay attention to the details of the pants. Look for styles that have a tapered leg, as this will give the illusion of a slimmer silhouette. Also, consider adding a belt to your outfit to cinch in at the waist and create a more defined look. Avoid pleats or cuffs, as they can add bulk to your lower half. Consider trying different colors and fabrics, such as dark wash denim or a wool blend, to add depth and texture to your outfit. Overall, the key is to find pants that flatter your body shape and make you feel confident. Next, layer up. Layering is a great way to add dimension to your frame. Try pairing a fitted button-up shirt with a slim-fit sweater or jacket. This will create the illusion of a fuller figure. Also, pay attention to the details. Skinny men often have longer limbs, so make sure to find clothing that fits your proportions. Look for shirts with a longer tail or pants with a longer inseam. This will ensure that your clothes fit well and look polished. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Fashion is all about trying new things and finding what works for you. So, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try different styles and silhouettes. Remember, confidence is key. If you feel good in what you're wearing, you'll look good. So don't be afraid to embrace your skinny frame and dress well. Thank you for watching.